Ngibingelela ngelihle igama lenkosi uJesu Kristu. This morning kuhleli le ndaba yokuthi uma kuworshipwa kubekho umuntu one-word of knowledge ozothi I see angels. I see angels present. Amen. Before we talk about angels, disclaimer, angels are messengers. We do not worship angels. We do not hold them in high esteem. They're sent by God to do God's will, not our will, but God's will. Now, if angels are there, they're supposed to be there. Vele they can be there because they're mandated to be in the presence of worship. Kokuqala nje nami, I have 2 angels that go with me. Where it is clean, they stay. If ngiyendaweni engcolile nomoya ongcolile, they go away. Hence kulula ukuthi umzalwane okade engathandazile angene emotweni ibidlala amapiyano afe kanye nabo ngoba phela the angels couldn't stand amapiyano. Iy'ngelosi phela azilaleli noma imuphi types yomculo yabo, because they know the music produced by Lucifer and his team and his gang, and then they know the music that is for worshiping God. Now that's a topic for another day. Lana ngikhuluma ngezinto-ke ezenziwa ama-angels ukuze sibone ukuthi was it effective ukuthi bekhona angels amongst us, because fanele kube khona ama-results afterwards. It's not enough to say there are angels amongst us, there are angels amongst us. Kwenzekeni-ke emva kwalokho, emva kokuthi there were angels amongst us? Siye safeel ukuthi wow, the service was powerful. Wow, you could feel the tangible presence of God. But usafana, abantu basafana. So I have 7 examples of what angels do in a congregation or phakathi kwabazalwane. 1, they assist in healing. Remember the pool of Bethesda, John chapter 5 verse 4. Lakhona an angel was stirring amanzi, was stirring the pool so that ungenile aphile. Even today, there's a pool of Bethesda ebandleni. Uma seku-reach worship level, la khona amandla kaMoya Ngcwele esebenza. There is a stirring. There's a stirring. Uyombona umuntu in connection with amaZulu, one connection yokuzwa ukuthi kwenzekani in the spiritual realm, esenze i-hand signal. I-hand